Hello everyone, welcome to Holistic Workshop. Today we will make a delicious peanut butter and learn its health benefits. Let's jump into peanuts. Peanuts are nutritionally dense and are loaded with fiber and essential minerals, lowering blood pressure, cholesterol, and inflammation. A 15% reduction of coronary heart disease was seen in individuals eating just 2 or more servings of peanuts per week. A larger reduction of coronary events was seen in Ander's study, where peanut consumption was higher at 5 or more servings per week. Consuming peanuts also reduces the risk for new diabetes by 25 to 30%. The benefit of peanuts is seen irrespective of individuals' body mass index or weight, with impressive reduction in the risk for diabetes. The risk for numerous cancers are significantly reduced by phytosterols and minerals present in peanuts. So go nuts. What peanuts? Please subscribe, leave a comment, join us, and begin your own journey to health and happiness. Thank you for watching.